stimulation we have taken, well testing we have taken perforation.
Do you want to take one more activity related to our vehicle movement? Means movement of forklift and cranes for the drilling operation?
Why not? We can consider.
Okay, this.
Very good.
And just go, Chairman, can you go scroll a little bit above? I just want to see whether any lifting activities. Okay. No. Within our drilling activity, when our lifting activity carries out at the lifting over the nearby construction or production activities.
So I have covered here lifting activity. If you want to make a separate one, I can separate one.
Make a separate one, lifting activity over over project.
No,
lifting operation.
This is we are talking about during the construction phase, correct?
Okay.
We are talking about this drilling activities
for construction. Yes,
yeah, exactly.
Our interaction with the drilling team during construction.
So Khalid, you hear that there is no production; it's only during the construction.
Okay. For our activity, rig up of the rig or drilling places, we need to identify. I still insist on this one, but I'll continue with the flow. We'll see where it's going.
Guys, no worries. Even I think it is better to keep it lifting operation activity on live equipment, on live hydrocarbon equipment. No problem. Let us put it. Because there may be some possibility, so let us keep it.
Also the most affected to us is when we are working from behind the rig to the access